Hi, I'm Judy Weiniger.
And I'm Michelle Giordano with the Weiniger Group. We are here today in this beautiful home in Warren Township.
We're excited to give you a personal tour and show you what we love most about this home.
This gracious 4-bed, 5 full bath, 2010 built home is one that you won't want to miss.
Here are our top 4 reasons why we love this home.
And why you should come see it in person.
Number 1, easy living. If you enjoy entertaining, this home will surely fit the bill. You'll love the easy flow from your formal dining room into your living room, or the openness from the kitchen into the family room. No matter where you like to entertain, this home makes it easy.
Number 2, flexible living spaces. Whether you need multi-generational living spaces or separate areas for those out-of-town guests, you certainly have options with this home. Enjoy the 3 full baths in your upstairs living space. You'll also love the daylight basement, complete with another full bath, closets, and lots of storage space. Don't want any stairs? No problem. You'll have another full bath on your first floor right off your office, which can be used as a guest room. This home makes it easy for everyone to be comfortable.
Number 3, spacious open kitchen. Do you like to cook? You'll love what this kitchen has to offer. Large center island, granite countertops, and stainless steel appliances will give you all the spaces and tools you need to create delicious meals. Double wall ovens will make hosting those holidays a breeze. Hardwood floors and a slider gives you access to your outdoor patio, which leads to your backyard living space. It has soft morning sunlight, yet shade during the afternoon.
Number 4, location, location, location. This home is located in coveted Warren Township on a quiet cul-de-sac street. It's a small street with only 8 houses, but because of that, everyone knows each other. The whole street gets together for New Year's Eve and at least once during the summer. Enjoy easy access to downtown Warren with all of its wonderful shops and restaurants. Also, close by is this home's elementary school, ALT. Another great thing about this home's location is its proximity to the new Chimney Rock Shopping Center. And don't forget, Target and Costco are close by too.
Don't you agree? This incredible home has so much to offer. Give us a call for your own private tour.